Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we are going to install Ashampoo UnInstaller free version. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. In this, you need to type Ashampoo UnInstaller download, and you'll get this first link, Ashampoo UnInstaller free. Click on this link. So this is the official website to download the software. Click on the download button. It is going to download the setup file. You will get a pop-up select yes. I'll minimize the web browser as we don't need it. So this is the setup. You need to click on agree and install. This is the default directory where this software will get installed. So this software is completely free to use. To use the software, you need to log in or register. If you already have a shampoo account, so you can just log in with your account. I'm going to register. Let me set a password. Click on I agree and select this. Click on create account. You need to verify your email address, so they must have sent you an OTP. See, you receive this shampoo activation. So this number you need to enter over here. Click on next. This will verify your email address. So this is going to install a shampoo app from where you can manage your license and all other applications provided by the shampoo. So we are going to use this software. Click on get. Then click on install. Click on next. Click on accept. So you can see the message, the installation of the software has been successfully completed. Now to launch this software, you can click on this launch button. Now that's how the interface of Ashampoo UnInstaller free software looks. From here you can see the installed programs on this machine. So I have 69 programs installed. Then there are different tabs on the left side. You can see the recently installed, then logged. Okay, since we are using it for the first time, so no logs have been generated. Then huge are the applications which are using a lot of size, storage space. You can also see the updates, uninstalled log. Okay, if you click on this tab, then you can drag and drop, or you can locate your setup file from where you can see all the complete log of the installation will be recorded, and it can be removed without leftovers. In this you can see the Windows apps which comes pre-installed, or if you install from the Microsoft Store, then in the tool section you get internet cleaner, setup timer, just then startup tuner. Okay, then you can do click on the service manager, file associator. You can also change which file should be opened with which program. Now let's head back to the applications. Now let's see if it can uninstall a software properly. I've recently installed iZark, so I'll select this, click on uninstall. You have to keep this check, perform additional in-depth cleaning, then click on uninstall. See, it has done in-depth cleaning and it has highlighted the leftovers. I'll just select this. Click on select all, wipe leftover files, then click on perform in-depth cleaning. Click on yes and close this. So uninstallation of that software is done. You can see one registry objects deleted for that software, 165 files deleted, 21 MB disk space reclaimed, means 21 MB space is made free. Then you can see the show log. If you click on this, you are going to see all the detailed information about the software. You can also see all the registry information of the software. Click on OK. I'm going to click on close. That's how user friendly this software is, Ashampoo UnInstaller, and it is free to use. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.